Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Interact and participate in Linea Airdrop. First of all, you need to go to the Interact link. I will share the link in the description, and you need to sign in. I'm going to do the sign in with MetaMask, and to participate in Linea, make sure that you have network of Linea on MetaMask. Make sure that you use Linea. Okay, so this okay, first of all, you can, as we have signed in already, so you need to go to this one. This is active. These two were the for the second and third week, which has been already completed, so you can't participate in this. Actually, I missed them too. So first of all, you need to go here and add all the things and do the steps. These ones, so Linea Voyage, and you have to just click next, 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 and it will be completed. Since I have already completed, so you don't need to do anything. Not need to worry. Just this is just easier. You need to follow and follow their team, and you need to wear Discord and those stuff. Okay, once this is done, so you can again click on Linea and come to the latest one, which is wave 3. First of all, you need to click on token swap, and it will give you some information. Again, the same thing, next, next, and next. After reading that, since I have read, so you must need to read this one. And once that is done, you need to select the wallet address. So it will be the same, just click on the wallet address and it will be here, and you need to just, it will show you the wallet address which is of the MetaMask. Just make sure that you have the network here, the Linea mainnet. It is by default, it is set. If it is not set, you can set it manually. If you need any, if you have any problem, you can ask. Okay, so I have already done that, so but it was pending, so I thought I will just inform you guys. So once this token swap is done, so then you need to click here, and here you will see a start button, which and you will click on that, and I'm gonna add the next video which I have recorded before, so I just wanted to make it in the flow. And once that is done, okay, let's go to the next video, and then I will come back to this page. Thank you. So when you will click on this verify button, so click on interact and continue. Let me just adjust the window and swap now. Okay, now you have to swap ether to, so basically there are tokens given, so you have to start do within them. So I'm gonna choose ether and maximum amount. Well, I think yeah, I need to go with the maximum amount. You can go with the $30 since the minimum amount is $25, and hit on swap, and swap gas fee would be around $1. So I will just confirm it. Okay, so the maximum gas fees is, actually I need to close this and reduce the amount, maybe 20, and swap. Okay, so the gas fees is actually crazy, that's huge. To pay for by ETH, I do have Ethereum. I'm not sure that why it's saying. Okay, I think, okay, yeah, that's it. So basically there were 2 transactions. Okay, I'm gonna confirm it. It is pending. Okay. Transaction is successful. The other one I will reject. Okay, Okay, so now the swap is done. Let's see in my wallet. Yep, it is swapped. So I actually need to import the token, which I will do it later. And let's since that's done, so I'll click on start verification, proceed. Okay, verification is in process, so it will take around 50 minutes, and we'll check it in an hour, around in an hour. Hopefully after that it will be done. Okay, so as you can see, this has been verified after around 30 minutes. So I will just click on claim, and okay, I got 150 XP. Okay, so this is completed. As you can see, XP is added. Now these are additional tasks. If you wanna do it, you can do it. I think since I have done one of them previously, so by the way, you need to swap any of these tokens. You cannot do any other. Previously I did Uniswap and it was not counted. And Ethereum. Okay, so swap at least. Let's see if I have done, since I have done already, so I'll just see if that is done. Anyway, so this has been since I have done already, so it should be verified. Okay, so this is, now we need to do at least 20 swaps, and so these are additional, these are not needed. So if you want to participate, so this is enough. This is just a further if you want to do it. Anyways, that's all for now. Subscribe me and comment if you have any other project, so I will make a separate video on that. Thank you.